Okay, so I'm uploading the video now, and I realized that I forgot to do a thing. Um, so the reason that we made the control room fake was not for nothing. We're gonna delete all of that information. We're going to get a principal. Where'd it go? The shader. Principal BDSF shader. And we're gonna connect it. We're gonna preferably grab a color from here. Stick that color in there. Boom. And theoretically, your texture should be baked. And the reason that we do this is to check for mishaps. Like how my texture is overlapping itself weird, so I'm gonna have to mess with my UV so that it's not overlapping. But overall, a pretty good bake.